Hello, welcome to SOM Credit Education. Our goal is to help you start a lucrative business. The credit industry is a growing industry. In today's economy, everything is based on credit: apartments, home loans, car loans, and jobs. Most people don't know how or even where to begin to fix their credit. Because of this, we are able to offer you an amazing business opportunity. You can now take pride in the fact that you are your own boss and have taken your destiny into your own hands. Being your own boss is a liberating experience, but you will only get out of your business what you put into it. We will train you on the basics of credit education and give you the knowledge to effectively communicate with your clients. What is credit coaching? 45% of Americans, which is roughly 145,599,982, have a credit score of less than 700. We educate clients on how exactly to increase their credit scores and on what lowers them. We also help them to dispute and remove erroneous and negative information. Why is it important? We live in a credit-based society, and credit scores are used regularly by anyone with whom you have a financial relationship. A good credit score is important for anyone to have. Loans are a necessary part of life for most of us. Building a solid credit history and maintaining a high credit score can have a dramatic impact on your quality of life now and in the future when you're considering applying for a loan. How do I find clients? There are a lot of people who need help with credit. More than you may think. Your family members, friends, co-workers, and even people in the grocery store are people that potentially need help with their credit score. Helping people is the main goal. Everything else will fall into place. Why should I use a credit repair company? The most common reasons are that individuals either have already tried themselves and obtained limited results, or they just don't have the time to undertake this task. If you decide to use us, you can be assured that you will be receiving the best assistance and service possible. How long does information remain on a report? Credit bureaus report credit information for a period of 7 years. Some states have special provisions for collections and paid liens. Bankruptcies are each reported for 10 years from the date of the filing. How long would it take to repair credit? There is no definite answer as the time varies depending on the initial credit status of each customer. What can I do if I have no credit at all? In that case, a credit repair service may not be the best thing for you. Lenders are typically more amenable toward extending credit to persons with no credit history than to persons with a history of bad credit. A steady source of income, money in a bank account, or a relative willing to co-sign your credit application may be all you need. How do you restore bad credit? As part of your contract for credit restoration services, you will complete a questionnaire that tells us which items on your credit report you desire to challenge. All credit listings showing up on the credit report, which you advise us are assumed to be inaccurate or unverifiable, will be subjected to a dispute. We will construct letters of dispute in your name. These letters are specifically designed to communicate your dispute in such a way that the credit bureaus will be more likely to accept the dispute and conduct an investigation of the disputed item. At the conclusion of the credit bureau's investigation, a new copy of the credit report will be sent to your address showing any deletions or improvements as a result of services. You then copy and send us the new credit report, and the cycle repeats itself at timed intervals. A disputed credit listing must be accurate and verifiable for it to remain on the credit report. If the credit listing is only somewhat inaccurate, the credit bureau may simply change the item to correct the inaccuracies. Very often, though, disputed credit items cannot be verified. The creditor either no longer possesses the information or does not wish to go to the trouble of verifying it. Also, the reinvestigation must be completed within 30 days or the listing must be removed. For these reasons, properly disputed credit listings are removed with remarkable frequency. What's next? File for an EIN number. Open a business bank account. Study your business industry. Make sure you're on a weekly training call. Build your brand. Welcome to the team. We are here to help in any way we can. Now get out there and build your brand.